Pagod ka na ba? Sick and tired of back reading sa mahabang thread of messages? Or tired of searching for a certain Google link or Google form na kailangang i-fill out every time or every day, like virtual time in and time out? In this video, I will be teaching you how to create a desktop or a cellphone shortcut or yung icon na nakikita natin sa mga home screens ng ating mga cellphones. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Pero bago yan, welcome muna to Teacher Talks for your school-related updates. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please like, share, and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong videos. So, ayun na nga guys, medyo talaga namang nakakapagod yung maya't maya hanap tayo ng hanap ng Google Form link para sa pag-fill out natin ng ating mga virtual attendance. So, gawa natin ng paraan yan. Simulan natin sa mga cellphone users. So, ito yung mga steps para sa mga cellphone users. Step 1. Go to your browser. And then look for the 3 dots at the upper right corner of your screen. And then put a check sa desktop view. Step 2. Go or search for the link na gusto nyong gawan ng shortcut icon sa inyong home screen. And of course, you copy the link. Step 3. Go to your browser and paste the copied link. Look again for the 3 dots at the upper right corner of your screen. And then click Add to Home Screen. So guys, there will be a dialog box that will appear. You can rename it if you want. And then click Create. Exit everything. And then you may now check it on your home screen. Did you find it there? Congratulations! You did a great job. For desktop and laptop users, don't you worry. Here are the easy steps to follow. Go or search for the link na gusto nyong gawa ng shortcut icon sa inyong home screen. And of course, copy the link. Next, step 2. Go to your browser and paste the copied link. Now, look for the 3 dots at the upper right corner of your screen. And then, click More Tools. Last, click Create Shortcut. There will be a dialog box that will appear. You can rename it if you want. Then click Create. Step 4. Exit everything. And check it on your home screen. Did you find it there? Congratulations! You did a great job. Guys, there you have it. You may now enjoy the perks of having your Google Link shortcut with no sweat. And if you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and comment below how you find it. Until our next video, only here at Teacher Talks for your school-related updates. Bye-bye!